Best deals.
1. Steamer. This stainless steel combo has a tough construction with a 3-layered body that cooks the food evenly and quickly. Its heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. The multi-pot has 6 plates, of which 2 plates fit inside the pot at a time. These plates can be used for various cooking purposes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rice pot drainer. Neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Rice strainer stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodles strainer. Stand ensures durability for long-lasting kitchen convenience. Simplify your post-cooking routine with a rice pot drainer stand. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Storage containers. Made from pure brass, ensuring high quality and authenticity. Storing food in brass containers can enhance the nutritional value by retaining essential nutrients and minerals. Brass is a highly durable material, ensuring that the container lasts for many years with proper care. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grill pan. Is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Regular seasoning creates a chemical-free natural non-stick surface for low-oil cooking and prevents the food from sticking. Taller and thicker grill ridges for better sear, char marks, and smoky taste. Adds a strong authentic Indian flavor to your preparations. High-quality cast material heats quickly and evenly, and retains heat longer. The grill pan is free of any screws or weld joints. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with a heat-resistant canvas grip which helps in handling the grill pan when the handle gets hot. They add iron to the food that makes food even healthier. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Peeler. Designed with julienne, serrated, and wavy edge blades to handle peeling, slicing, shredding, and garnishing with ease. One tool for multiple kitchen tasks. High-quality stainless steel blades ensure smooth, clean, and precise cuts on vegetables and fruits without crushing or tearing. Ideal julienne peeler for carrots, potatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, and more. Enhances the look and texture of salads, noodles, and gourmet dishes. Lightweight design with a comfortable handle allows easy control and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Made from premium stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Suitable for daily household cooking as well as professional kitchen use. Rinse under running water after each use, dry thoroughly, and store in a dry place. Made of highest quality stainless steel and razor-sharp blades with anti-cut design. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Multi-kettle. The non-stick coating lets you cook like a real pan. Fry eggs with minimal oil. Sauté vegetables for upma. Scramble breakfast without butter sticking everywhere. Make golden poha without it cementing to the bottom. Cook Maggi without burnt noodles glued on. Even reheat rice or dal without creating stuck-on disasters. The 1000 ml non-stick interior with 600 W power gives your restaurant quality cooking anywhere, hotel rooms, train compartments, office pantries, or your own AC bedroom. Perfect for traveling families who need real cooked meals, not just boiled water. Keep boiling. Button gives steady heat for rice, noodles, or khichdi while you handle everything else. The moment food is ready, switch to keep warm. Now the meal stays perfectly hot while you bathe the baby, pack school bags, answer work emails, or simply catch your breath. No cold food disappointments. No rushing everyone to eat immediately. No reheating that ruins taste and texture. The multi-kettle waits patiently until your family is actually ready to sit and eat together. Automatic power off when water boils means you can start cooking and walk away to handle the baby, help with homework. The kettle turns itself off safely. Boil dry protection ensures it won't operate without water, preventing accidents even when distracted. No need to stand and watch. Essential safety for busy households with curious toddlers, giving you peace of mind during chaotic mornings. Non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup in 30 seconds, no scrubbing stuck food. Cool touch handles stay safe to grip when boiling, essential with kids around. Built-in spout lid allows splash-free pouring of chai, soup, milk without removing lid or exposing yourself to steam. Cook with less oil for healthier meals. Egg steamer tray included, dual cooking with zero extra luggage space. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food grade, and BPA-free plastic. Finely chop ginger, garlic, herbs, by rolling the turntable base on the kitchen counter with minimum effort. Introducing a revolutionary chopper with the industry's first tire roll mechanism. The chopper doesn't need electricity, battery, or cord to operate. Simply roll the base on your kitchen countertop and get fine chopping for cooking. The chopper comes with a double-lock rubber rim cover that eliminates the chance of leakage. Its razor-sharp twin Z-formation blades chop even the stiffest ingredients within seconds. Thus, you can quickly chop vegetables, fruits, nuts, whisk eggs and even prepare a soft baby puree. The chopper helps you save time and effort by letting you chop a large number of vegetables in a short time. It also protects your eyes and hands from irritation or burns that certain raw vegetables may cause. It is a mess-free solution for hassle-free cooking. Perfect for cutting onions, garlic, tomatoes, vegetables, salads, herbs, fruits, nuts and more in seconds. Eco-friendly design, no electricity required, convenient and easy handling. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Fry pan. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Has a wide concave surface with a strong cool touch handle with a silicone grip. This ensures amazing results and a safe cooking experience. With this versatile tawa, you can effortlessly cook fulka, omelette, chapati, uttapam, paratha, bajra roti, chilla, cutlet, bread omelette and more. Tough enamel-coated cast iron resists rust, stains, and high heat daily use while maintaining a stunning finish for years, a true kitchen heirloom. Ensures consistent heat distribution with no cold spots, delivering flawless results for biryanis, curries, stews, dosas, or pancakes. Designed for a secure grip and easy control when flipping, stirring, or transferring dishes from stovetop to oven to table. Specially engineered to retain essential nutrients, minerals, and natural flavors while ensuring faster cooking and perfect sautéing. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Organizer. Designed with flexibility in mind, the storage box features adjustable compartments that can be easily repositioned or removed to suit your needs. Whether you are organizing bulky comforters, folded clothes, shoes, or smaller accessories, the dividers let you create custom-sized sections to keep everything neat, separate, and easy to access. Crafted from high-quality, non-woven fabric, the storage box offers superior durability and long-term protection for your belongings. The tightly woven material acts as a shield against dust, dirt, and moisture, keeping your blankets, clothes, and shoes clean and fresh even during long-term storage. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Saucepan. Is great to cook tea, boil milk, roasting spices. The saucepan is made from cast aluminum body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. The saucepan is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. This saucepan can withstand a maximum temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is an easy task after every meal. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Vegetable grater. Smart design with an inbuilt container for effortless food prep. Advanced sliding technology, unique food holder that moves on track for extra comfort and safety. Heavy duty, rust-resistant blades that withholds sharpness for long. Diverse and detachable blades, 5 different options: V-slicer, wavy slicer, julienne, two-way julienne and a fine shredder for variation in chopping and cutting. Works 10 times faster than regular knives. Perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Easy, mess-free grating, perfect for cutting, slicing, shredding and chopping fruits, vegetables and more. The grater can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mini Sewing Machine Electric. Lightweight and portable design for quick repairs, kids learning, home tailoring and DIY crafts. Perfect small sewing machine for beginners. Use the foot pedal for hands-free control or operate manually. Dual thread, strong motor and straight stitch for smooth finishing on clothes and fabrics. The included table set adds stability and extra working space, ideal for long seams, frocks, kurtis, blouse alterations and more. Sew with accuracy even in low light. Automatic bobbin rewinding and user-friendly operation reduce mistakes, stitching becomes easy and fun. Comes with needles, bobbins, thread spools, adapter, and accessories, everything needed for home tailoring and basic stitching from day one, with an extension table, foot pedal, LED light, and sewing kit is a versatile, beginner-friendly tool for home repairs and DIY crafts. It operates on AC power or batteries, making it perfect for quick alterations, small projects, and easy on-the-go tailoring. The modern home is a hub of creativity, daily maintenance, and personalized projects, making a reliable yet compact sewing machine an invaluable asset. When it comes to everyday clothing repairs, basic alterations, and simple creative projects, investing in a full-sized industrial or complex computerized machine can often be overwhelming, expensive, and unnecessary. This is where the mini electric sewing machine with table set, foot pedal, LED light and sewing kit shines. It serves as the ultimate tailor machine for home, offering a blend of portability, convenience, and essential features that cater to both beginners and seasoned hobbyists who need a quick, reliable stitching solution without taking up an entire room in their house. At first glance, the compact footprint of this portable tailor machine is its most striking feature. Measuring on average just about 8 inches in height and length, it is designed to be effortlessly moved, stored, or even taken along on travels. Despite its small size, it does not compromise on the functionality required to get the job done. At its core, the machine utilizes a double thread mechanism. In older or highly rudimentary handheld machines, a single thread is used, which often results in loose stitches that can easily unravel. The double thread design, combining the upper thread and the bottom bobbin thread, ensures that your seams are strong, durable, and capable of withstanding the daily wear and tear of regular clothing. This means you do not necessarily need to tie off the ends manually. The machine's interlooping system secures the beginning and end of your seams effectively. Another crucial feature of this home tailor machine is the dual speed control system. Beginners and younger users often find standard sewing machines intimidating because they run too fast, leading to mistakes and crooked lines. This mini machine features a simple dial or switch to toggle between a high, fast speed for experienced sewers and a slow speed for novices learning to control their fabric. This level of precision control allows you to match the machine's operation to your personal skill level, drastically reducing mistakes and preventing fabric bunching. One of the standout additions to this specific portable sewing machine is the detachable extension table. When sewing large or heavy fabrics, such as curtains, bed sheets, blankets, or even longer items like dresses and kurtis, the weight of the fabric pulling off the edge of a table can skew your stitches and make achieving straight, accurate lines incredibly difficult. The extension table, which usually features sturdy, fold-out legs, snaps easily onto the base of the machine to provide a wider, flat, and stable working surface. This additional platform supports the weight of your fabric, ensuring that it feeds smoothly into the needle without dragging. For those who live in small apartments or dormitories without dedicated sewing desks, this table can transform any dining or coffee table into a functional, comfortable tailoring station in seconds. Furthermore, the machine's design often incorporates a free arm or cuff slot. By simply sliding off the extension table in the accessories compartment, the machine reveals a narrow arm. This is a game changer for sewing cylindrical items like sleeves, trouser legs, and cuffs. Instead of struggling to maneuver a shirt sleeve flat, you can simply slide the cuff over the arm and stitch around it perfectly, exactly like a professional tailor. Flexibility is a major selling point for this home sewing machine. It provides users with two distinct ways to control their stitching: manual operation and foot pedal operation. When you are starting out or performing intricate, slow-paced mending, you might prefer to control the machine manually, often using an on/off button on the unit itself. However, as your skills develop, you will find the foot pedal to be an indispensable asset. The foot pedal connects to the machine via a wire, allowing you to control the start, stop, and speed of the sewing with your foot. Product link is given in the 12th link.